Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A51, and let me show you how to activate accidental touch protection on the following device. So at first you have to open list of all applications, then find and pick settings, scroll a bit lower and pick display. Now you have to find accidental touch protection, and if you'd like to protect your phone from accidental touches when it's in a dark place, for example in a pocket or in your bag, just click here. So that's it. This is how you can adjust your display, adjust your screen to some tough conditions, for example like the dark places as your pocket or bag. Smoothly tap on the switcher. And this is it. This is how you can activate this feature. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.